Help support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps you protected when shopping online. Get $5 to try it now by using promo code QZZ2J.
And of course, I want to welcome the folks from Millo Appliances. And if I'm going to apologize for probably destroying your name, is it Aviras? Is that how you pronounce your first name?
It's more difficult. Sorry, it's Ivaras.
Ivaras. Okay.
But no problem. Yeah, you can call me Ive. That's easier, maybe.
All right. Awesome.
Nice to meet you. Hello.
Hey, nice to meet you as well. And thanks for coming on our rundown today of stuff going on with CES Virtual. Why don't you tell me a little bit about Millo Appliances just to begin, and what you guys are doing for the new year?
Yeah, hello guys. So my name is Ivaras. I'm from Millo Appliances. I'm co-founder and sales guy. So we at Millo, we actually started from inventing the most silent blender in the market, but ended up with the technology called magnetic air drive, which can transfer really powerful torque, rotation wirelessly. So it's suitable for any small domestic appliances, any kind of consumer electronics which needs rotations. So, and the first product which we already introducing to the market is this smart blender. So as you see, from design point of view, it's totally you cannot recognize that this is the blender. It's totally different. So it's this technology, this magnetic air drive. So the connection between blades and the engine is, as I said, wirelessly. So there's no mechanical connection. There's no any rotors connecting the blades. So actually, this gives a totally reinvented blender, and we starting, business and expansion of sales of this product right now. Like we started mass production a few weeks ago, and but we're looking forward. We want to disrupt the kitchen actually at your home, because we have technology which can help your future wireless kitchen be really wireless, really integrated into surfaces, really be seamless and great design. So,
I'm sure you've done some studies. What is the torque difference between a traditional electric blender that goes in and has a regular motor and you've got that physical connection there? I like this a lot because it looks really, really clean. But I think what the audience is going to wonder is, am I going to get the same torque? Am I going to be able to do the same things with as it does a normal blender?
Yeah, it's a very good question. So actually in the market, you already can find some smaller, like they call it portable blenders, but actually it's mixers, because it's really weak engines, and they are kind of the goal is to mix the powder, maybe some small strawberries, pieces of small bananas. But what we wanted to have real blender here. So inside we have brushless BLDC motor, which is 500 watts. So it's not the same, not comparable with regular motor, which you have in regular blenders. But let's say it's about like 500-700 watts power. And we are able to transfer the same power, the same torque without slipping, without losing anything to the blades. So that's what we have at the moment in this blender. And actually it's capable to blend, ice cubes, full size, carrots or vegetables, frozen bananas, frozen berries, frozen vegetables, like from the soybeans or almond nuts. You can make milk with a little bit water. Mm-hmm. So it's a powerful blender. It's not the mixer. And yes, we are not like in 2 kilowatts, power level. We are not like these power blenders, which you buy for, $600. But for a personal blender, for daily use, for regular smoothies, that's amazing what we can offer.
How does it handle like ice cream? Does it do okay with ice cream or?
Yeah. So actually, let's say I'm doing the sherbet. I don't know how you call that in English. So it's kind of ice creams from frozen bananas. So you need to play a little bit, to find the way how to blend it, because you have to start in one speed and then increase the speed. You need to find your right recipe, how much milk you have to add. because with the ice cubes and the ice in the blenders always is the same problem. Whatever blender you take,
Sure.
it makes the snow here and it stucks, these
Yep.
cubes stuck because of the snow. So you need to find a way, but you can do that, because I am doing that as well.
Sure.
What's important to know about this blender is that it's portable, so we have the same power and we have freedom in the kitchen. And like you have, I don't know, robotic vacuum cleaners, you have wireless speakers, and that's what people like, that you don't need to have this cable, connected to the power outlet. So with this blender, you can make blends in I don't know, balcony, terrace, in your sport gym, or I don't know. For me, the main
Right.
is that I'm free in the kitchen. I'm
Sure.
free in the house. I don't need that cable. I'm charging it once per week, using it daily. Charge can hold for like 15 smoothies. You charge it for 2 hours. The charger is the same Type-C USB as a Mac computer or most of the consumer appliances at the moment. So that's one of the, let's say, difference. Another is very important, that it's smart device. So we have firmware, we have software inside, and we update via app with new features, new functions every time, every quarter. And you bought maybe Millo half a year ago, and you can get better functions, better functionality going, later using
Right.
the same product. So
I didn't realize
smart
when you
appliance.
I didn't realize when you first showed it to us that it was wireless, and that ups the game considerably, because if you live somewhere where like you're going to the beach and you want to use this at the beach, or it's not like
Yeah,
you can take this thing anywhere. So that to me is like that's
easy,
the true
easy.
added value to this.
Yeah. And then the controls, we have this touch control 360 degrees.
Awesome.
So let's say if I touch it here, I have
Sure.
controls here and I can control from here. But if someone comes from another direction and touch it here, it has control here. So actually you don't need to go around the products and so on. So many different small things like this, what we tend to see in the gadgets, you have in your appliance. So we kind of blended appliance with the smart gadget. That's our goal. And actually, we already speaking with our customers from Kickstarter, from Indiegogo, the first users already who using the product for like month. And the main, let's say, benefit, like they say about the wireless, about the portability as well, very good words. But one more thing is that the Millo let us use your smoothie daily. I mean, your habits to use smoothie, very easy to do that with the Millo, because with the regular blender you need to prepare, you need to wash it, you have separate jars, it's huge, it's hidden in the cupboard, you need the power outlet cables. Yep. But this one, it's on your table all the time. You don't hide it in the cabin because it's nice, it's beautiful. You need to brag about that. You need to show your neighbor that you have appliance like this. So actually, we like that user using it daily, and that's the most important. We don't want to sell the product which you forget after a week. We want you to use it, give us feedback. We will update with new features, new firmwares, new updates, and this product will be like Tesla in the blenders. It will be more and more better. So
can I ask you then, what's the cost? And I know you're just going to production. So cost, where they can find it, and availability. If they order now, when will they be able to get a unit?
Yeah. So the price MSRP is $399. At the moment, we just starting the mass production, so we still not able to produce as much as we want. We're shipping to Europe customers, so Europe can get it pretty soon, like in two weeks time. For US market, we still need a little bit more time. So I think like March time, we will be starting to ship US customers, because we already have customers from US, from Kickstarter, we have customers from Canada. So these guys will start getting Millos in March time, I'm hoping, and we're pushing forward a lot with the team. And we will be after that in Amazon, because at the moment we are only on our website, but we slowly now starting to build business partner network and retailers, onliners. That's why we are in CES as well. So we're looking for distribution partners for retailers, and I think that very fast we will be on Amazon and some other popular places.
Awesome. Well, we're out of time, but Millo Appliances, is it milloappliances.com? What is the actual website?
No, it's actually getmillo.com. So
okay.
GATMILLO.com.
All right, awesome. So everyone,
getmillo.com. Thank you very much.
hey, thank you very much. Everyone go check them out, and $3.99, and that's an awesome, awesome blender. All right, thank you very much for being on our CES
Thank
coverage
you.
this
Goodbye.
year. Yep, bye-bye.
I hope you enjoyed that interview, and if you did, make sure you check out some of the more than 100 interviews we conducted during the virtual CES 2021 coverage. And of course, subscribe here on YouTube, hit the notification bell to learn when we post new content and when we go live.